Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making baked spaghetti. So I'm using ground beef, I added some onions, and now I'm adding seasonings. So now I'm just gonna let that cook and I'm gonna start on the noodles. So I boiled some water, added some oil. Now I'm just gonna add the noodles in. I broke them in half. Now that everything is done, I'm going to be adding half of the meat into the noodles. And then I'm going to add the tomato sauce. I'm using a roasted garlic flavor. So I'm just mixing that up really well. And then I'm going to add the other half of the meat in and some more sauce. I like my spaghetti to have a lot of sauce. I don't like it dry. Now I just added seasonings and I'm just gonna mix it up one more time and then show you how it looks. Now that it's done, I'm just adding it into the pan because we're gonna bake it. And I'm gonna be adding some mozzarella cheese on top and some Italian seasoning and red pepper. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, after I added the seasoning on top, I'm gonna put it in the oven and let the cheese melt, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks.